Mr. Snooze. Turd, I'm there. It's the James sauce.
There's a handyman called Ted Glenn, and he's working once again. He can just about fix anything you ever need to mend. Maybe a tractor, or a ladder, or a broken frying pan. Just go down and see him, and he'll help you if he can. You just say, leave it with me, hey, leave it with me. I'll try to fix that up for you as quickly as can be. He'll just say, leave it with me, leave it with me. I'll try to fix that up for you as quickly as can be. All the valley knows that he's the best of handymen. They all say, if you want things mended, go and see Ted Glenn. A broken clock, or a horseshoe, or an engine in a van. Just go down and see him, and he'll help you if he can. He'll just say, leave it with me, leave it with me. I'll try to fix that up for you as quickly as can be. He'll just say, leave it with me, leave it with me. I'll try to fix that up for you as quickly as can be. He'll just say, leave it with me, leave it with me. La-la-dee-dee-do. There's a broken frying pan. Now, let's have a go now. Hey, how's good as new? Leave it with me. Leave that with me. I'll have a look at that one in a minute. Now then, what have we got here? Oh shit. Yes, I think I can do something with that. Oh, it's just got the nails in.
This is Curland, which is a country somewhere near the North Pole. The weather in Curland is winter all the time, and the truth is the season of weather doesn't change. It stays the same weather. It's the truth if just told to not. When it isn't snowing, it's freezing. When it isn't freezing, it's snowing. So you can imagine how cold it is in Curland. And the other truth is of what I haven't told you is it can't stop to that. Because it's so cold in Curland, everybody lives there is cold as well. And you can tell if somebody comes from Curland because everybody there has a red nose. And people in Curland aren't the only ones with red noses. In Curland you can see red-nosed dogs chasing red-nosed cats, chasing red-nosed mice. In Curland you can even see red-nosed elephants. And what you hear most of the time in Curland is a noise that sounds like this. Achoo! The sound of the sneeze is very common indeed in Curland. which is not ever surprising, is it? This is the story of Mr. Sneeze, who lived in a small snow-covered cottage in Shivertown, the capital of Curland. Every morning, Mr. Sneeze woke up, sneezed, got up, sneezed, got dressed, sneezed, went downstairs, sneezed, ate his breakfast, sneezed, and went to work, still sneezing. And the truth is, this is not a what have to. He can't stop sneezing. I don't like this sneezing all the time, he thought to himself every day, until one day he decided to leave Curland and try to find a cure for the sneezes. So, the very same day, Mr. Sneeze packed the things he needed for his dinner, mainly handkerchiefs, sneezed, locked his front door, sneezed, and set off. He walked and sneezed and walked his way across Curland. And then he sneezed and walked and sneezed for days and days until Curland was far behind. As he walked away from Curland, he noticed that there was less and less snow. In fact, there was no snow at all. He just walked on so far. As he walked, he noticed something else. He wasn't walking and sneezing. He was walking and walking. It wasn't the truth, he said. He was not sneezing anymore. Oh, yes, it is the truth. True. And for the very first time in his life, he wasn't sneezing. Not at all. Not a bit. Not even the tiniest tissue. I wonder why I'm not sneezing, he thought to himself. But he must have thought his thought out loud to himself, because a voice behind him replied, "You're not sneezing because you haven't got a cold." Mr. Sneeze jumped, turned, and behind him stood the wise old wizard. "What's a cold?" asked Mr. Sneeze. "A cold is what you catch when you're too cold," said the wise old wizard wisely. "Oh," said Mr. Sneeze, "but I come from a country called Curland. Everybody else is too cold all the time, and I'm telling you the truth." "Nonsense," snorted the wizard. "It can't be too cold all the time. It's because of the sun." And he pointed to the sun, which was smiling in the sky. But Mr. Sneeze had told the wizard the truth is that it came from a country called Curland. "We don't have any sun in Curland," said Mr. Sneeze, explaining it properly to the wizard. "No sun?" exclaimed the wizard. "How extremely, extraordinarily, extraordinary. We'd better do something about it then, hadn't we?" "Yes," agreed Mr. Sneeze, not quite knowing what the wizard was talking about. "How far away is this place called Curland?" asked the wizard. "Oh, it's miles and miles and miles away," replied Mr. Sneeze. "In which direction?" asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. "It shouldn't take long," said the wizard, who then waved his magic wand and muttered some magic words. "Just follow the sun. It'll take you there. It'll take you there." "Yes," agreed Mr. Sneeze, not quite knowing what the wizard was talking about. "How far away is this place called Curland?" asked the wizard. "Oh, it's miles and miles and miles away," replied Mr. Sneeze. "In which direction?" asked the wizard. Mr. Sneeze pointed. "It shouldn't take long," said the wizard, who then waved his magic wand and muttered some magic words. Which wouldn't be magic if it's